Looking to protect your GMC Canyon's truck bed while keeping it sleek and functional? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best GMC Canyon bed covers that combine durability, style, and real-world convenience, so you can find the perfect one for your truck and your lifestyle. Number 5 on our list is the Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover, designed to fit perfectly on the 5 feet 2 inches bed of the 2015 to 2025 GMC Canyon. This cover gives you that clean, low-profile look while offering the practicality you need. It installs easily with no drilling. Just clamp it on, roll it up when you need full bed access, and you're ready to go. Its double-layer PVC top is built to resist tears and abrasions, and the sturdy aluminum side rails create a tight seal that stands strong through any weather. The arched crossbars help water flow off instead of pooling, keeping your cargo dry and secure. It's lightweight, durable, and one of the best budget-friendly options out there. Proof that you don't have to spend big to get solid protection. Up next, Number 4 brings even more versatility and strength for your GMC Canyon. Number 4 on our list is the WHALEMOTOR Hard Folding Tonneau cover, built tough and designed specifically for the 2015 to 2025 GMC Canyon with a 5.2-foot short bed. This cover stands out for its rugged durability and precision fit. It's made from high-strength materials that can handle rain, snow, and even hail without denting or warping. Installation is a breeze with its no-drill, clamp-on design, so you can have it securely fitted in minutes. Reinforced hinges and strong locking latches ensure that your cargo stays safe and secure, even at highway speeds. Plus, its sleek, aerodynamic design not only enhances your truck's look but can also help improve gas mileage. It's stable, weather-resistant, and built to last, offering both style and solid protection for your Canyon. Up next, Number 3 brings even more innovation and convenience to your truck bed. Number 3 on our list is the TIPTOP Soft Trifold Tonneau cover, made to fit 2015 to 2025 GMC Canyon and Chevy Colorado models with a 5.2-foot bed. This cover stands out for its marine-grade craftsmanship. It's built from dual-coated, 24-ounce vinyl reinforced with aluminum support ribs for strength and stability. It's designed to handle the toughest conditions, whether it's heavy rain, scorching sun, or even snow. The high-performance vinyl resists shrinking, stretching, and tearing, so it maintains its fit and protection through every season. It's also engineered to withstand UV rays, humidity, and acid rain, giving your truck bed long-term protection and a clean, sharp look. Installation is quick and simple, and once in place, it stays tight with minimal water leakage even after a storm. For the price, this cover delivers impressive quality and durability, perfect for those who love adventure but still want their truck to stay protected. Up next, Number 2 brings even more premium strength and weatherproofing to your Canyon. Number 2 on our list is the YITAMOTOR FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau cover, designed to fit the 5.2-foot bed of the 2015 to 2025 GMC Canyon. This cover offers a premium blend of strength, style, and protection that truly elevates your truck's utility. Built from high-quality fiberglass reinforced polymer, it resists scratches, fading, and cracking, while standing strong against rain, snow, dirt, and UV rays. Beneath the surface, a PP honeycomb structure adds impressive strength and load capacity, giving you reliable protection in all conditions. It installs in minutes, no drilling, no hassle, and comes with reinforced latches and embedded clamps that keep everything securely locked in place while you drive. As a bonus, it even includes an LED light to help you find your gear at night. Sleek, durable, and easy to use, this cover delivers exceptional value for its price. And now, coming up at Number 1, we reveal the best overall bed cover for your GMC Canyon, one that truly checks every box. And finally, at Number 1, we have the Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover, the best overall bed cover for the GMC Canyon. This US patented design perfectly fits the 5.1-foot bed of 2023 to 2025 models, combining convenience, quality, and sleek looks. It's built from heavy-duty, 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl with integrated crossbars for extra support when flat, and it rolls up smoothly for full bed access whenever you need it. Aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps provide a secure fit without any drilling, while the Velcro sealing and latch lock system keep your cargo dry and protected. You can also fine-tune the tension to keep it wrinkle-free and tight through any weather. It installs in minutes, looks fantastic, and offers premium performance at an affordable price. No wonder it tops our list. That wraps up our countdown of the best GMC Canyon bed covers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below to find the right one for your truck.